Hey guys, so today we'll be installing this. So this is a plastic or rubber bumper which covers around the Xiaomi rim along the board, and this helps to protect it from when you hit it against any objects, creating scuffs around the metal frame. I've got a few. I'm not sure if you can see already on the scooter, especially along the back where it swings when you're lifting. So what you would need for this is any form of cleaning liquid, just to give it a good clean. I use 70% isopropylate alcohol, microfiber cloth. You can use both sides of it, one side for wet and one side to dry. Obviously the 3M rubber bumper strips, and then you might need a serrated cutting knife. So let's just get straight into this. So what you need to do first is get the microfiber cloth, and then just open the cleaning product, dip it on so you get a nice wet patch, and then give it a good wipe. Make sure you pull off all the dirt, because any dirt that's still on, guys, the 3M tape will just fall off. It won't adhere properly to the body of the scooter. So you can pick these up for around £3, up to, if you're getting it from Amazon, anywhere around £5-6. I ordered mine in a set and I got it for around £6-7. So we're just going to look at doing one side just to show you. So when it's all dry, get your 3mm tape, and then you need to just make sure that you start from one side. So we're going to start from, so we're going to be starting from here and going all the way down and around the board to the other side, which is down here. So let's just quickly go into this corner. So you need to remove the back tape, which prevents it from sticking everywhere. Again, guys, it's very crucial that you lot clean the surface area properly. Let me just give it one more wipe down just to make sure. This is where you may need your knife, just to pull away, like so. Don't peel it all at once, peel it bit by bit. My other advice would be, if you have a heat gun, to heat this up first. It just allows it to stick better, so that's what I'm going to do next. So guys, if you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hairdryer. Just need to heat it up, and then you just need, once it's hot enough, you just need to heat the glue up enough so that it becomes loose, and then just do a bit at a time, don't rush it. So we're going to focus in this corner. Just going to reheat it a bit more. I'm going to also heat up the area just to make sure it's a good bond. And then this doesn't cover the whole metal frame, so guys, make sure you align it so that you get a nice rim around it, and not just along the top or the bottom. So just make sure wherever your starting position is, you push down very firm. Don't over pull the backing tape till you're ready to move on. Just make sure you've got the initial point perfectly on, like I have. And if I show you, as you can see here, it's flush against the surface. It's right against this back panel. The closer you have it to the back, the less dirt and build up you'll get in this gap in the corner, and it means the longer it's likely to last on here. So let's just carry on. So we're going to heat up more. Then pull away the tape. And then just push right against the metal. Again, make sure you're being very firm handling this. If you do it too gently, it's just going to come off. You need to make sure that this is pushed right against. And make sure that it's aligned properly with everything, or you're going to get a wonky line, which is going to look very weird. Pinch the corners and the top and bottoms just to make sure that so as you lot can see, it's ready, it's taking shape, and we've only done a tenth.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, we still got quite a bit of excess left, so we're going to need to cut it off. So let's just quickly do this. And again, make sure the 3 rules are followed. You clean the surface area, you heat the 3M tape as well as the surface, and then apply enough pressure to the surface when you're applying. They're the 3 key mains. The other extra tips are to make sure that you align everything properly so that there's a nice even gap going around the whole rubber so that the top looks nice and even. Yeah, they would be the most important things. So we're coming right towards the end now. Just put the camera down for you. And as you can see, we just need to roughly cut it off. But you need to make sure that it's pushed right against before cutting. And we just need to roughly cut it off here. Easiest way would be with scissors. I don't have scissors on me right now, so I'm just going to use my cutting tool. And just be very careful not to undercut it, or you will get a gap. And you know, you worked this hard for it. So we roughly want it here. Like so. Once you're happy, just make sure you don't cut the actual surface, or you might put a scratch on your scooter. Like so. So that's a pretty clean cut. Just going to heat it up now. And then we're just going to close the ends off, so you can literally squeeze it and push it till you're happy that it shouldn't come off. I've got a bit of excess at the top which is not allowing it to go flush down, so I'm just going to follow the curve line and I'm just going to cut that excess off. Not sure if you can see, guys. Let me try zooming in. so. And we are done. Just again, I need to cut a bit off the bottom. It would have been great if they gave it pre-cut to size, but for the price you pay, you can't be that fussy. There. So we're done, guys. So let me just quickly show you how it looks. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more content on the Xiaomi M365 scooter. Peace out.